It has been 12 years since Phil SME was brought to life.
We're excited to learn and to contribute and to collaborate with each other.
Calling it our gold sponsor, Asialink Finance Corporation, Mr. Samuel Z. Carino.
Mga negosyante.
Thank you once again, Asset Grace. Diyan ka na lang po muna kasi magpo-photo op na tayo. Grabe impact na sinabi niyo, no? 67% ang binibigay na trabaho. No? That's the impact that you bring in. Along with the impact that this convention brings, let's welcome our sponsors, Toyota Motor Philippines, Mr. Norman Cloyd Sebastian, the Vice President, Sales Distribution Department, Marketing Division. Also, the Platinum sponsor, The Whole Story, Mr. Jude Paul Espinas, the Chairman and Co-Founder, Monica Rigaspi, Country Representative. From GCash for Business, Mr. John Layug, the General Manager, and from our gold sponsors, let's keep it going for Cebuana Louisier, Mr. Dudley Eric Flores, Business Development Officer, KNC Representative. The Mindful Cup and Coffee and Milk Tea, Ms. Catherine San Jose, the owner and managing partner, Culinary Concept Developer.
And kapag economic sabotage siya, the penalty is lifetime imprisonment. Regardless kung magkano yung amount na na-siphon.
Wow! Lifetime imprisonment for scammers. Palakpakan naman natin yan para maubusan naman tayo ng mga scammers here in the Philippines. Thank you. Nakakatakot yun. I mean, for them, dapat matakot sila. Diba?
It only shows that one of our programs are actually working.
QRPH. It made our lives easier when it was launched.
Yan, alam na natin ang Breakfast of Champions. Take care of your health. Yes. Now, Mommy N, dito tayo sa business, sa entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Ngayon, marami ditong sumugal na. Or maraming susugal pa lang. Pero, Mommy N, marami ka nang napagdaanan. What for you is your criteria ng, I'm in the wrong business. Stop ko to, I'll move on. Paano mo masasabing you're in the wrong business?
I'm in the wrong business. Now, looking back, no, at that time I did not know this.
Our entrepreneurs who are overwhelmed. Teka, anong gagawin ko? Gusto ko naman to, pero bakit nag-struggle ako? Ano yung pwede niyong i-advise sa kanila?
Find out kung bakit kayo nag-struggle. That's why you're overwhelmed, you're overworked. So try to find something that you can delegate. Yeah.
Grabe naman. Thank you, such wisdom and heart. Palapakan natin si Mommy N. Maraming salamat po. Yan. Mommy N, yun lang po. Hindi na namin kayo kikip pa. We hope you're comfortable. And ito, she already gave a preview of our next speaker. And ako excited din ako dito dahil sobrang laki ng following ng ating speaker. And are you ready to think bigger? One more time, are you ready to think bigger? He has over 1 billion views and loyal following across all platforms. Boss DR isn't just another business influencer. He's a brand accelerator, business mentor, and a movement maker. As a founder of DR Business Solutions and Growth Circle International, he's helped hundreds of founders, CEOs, and creators transform their passion into profitable, powerful brands. He'll share the costly mistakes Filipino entrepreneurs make online, how to turn them into cash flow, and why AI is your friend and not your enemy, and the exact first steps to rebuild even from scratch. Eto na, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to think bigger, act bolder, and accelerate like never before. Please welcome Boss RDR!
Benta or manatili ka sa sitwasyon ng negosyo mo.
Ang tindi nun, Boss RDR. Palakpakan natin si Boss RDR. Let's invite him back on stage for a few more questions. Hindi ko na patatagalin to dahil alam ko your time is very valuable. Excited lang kami na makasama ka dito, Boss RDR. Now, eto, simulan natin sa Breakfast of Champions. Ano yung unang kinakain mo sa umaga? Paano maging Boss RDR? Ano yung first step?
Naka-water fast po ako.
Water fast! So talagang constant yung pagiging healthy, no? Yung thought of being healthy when it comes to business, it enriches your brain and your body din at the same time. Yep. Ang ganda nun. Now, ito, Boss RDR, meron tayong mga business owners dito, may mga questions na tinanong sila. Let's say, puro sigido naman ako sa business. Wala akong nakikitang result. Kayod lang ako ng kayod. Anong unang advice na ibibigay mo sa mga taong ganun?
Okay, so first thing that you have to do is assess. Alamin natin, bakit ka nalulugi? I-diagnose natin saan may loophole yung business mo. That's for me.
Ayun, walang magpapadala sa feelings, kumbaga, di ba? Thank you, Boss RDR. Now, ito, napag-usapan natin, oy, huwag ka katakutan ng AI. Pero meron pa rin mga takot. Teka, for example, a host. Baka palitan na ako ng AI. Sa voice-over, for example, pwede kong i-AI na lang to. Anong masasabi mo sa mga taong may potential na mapalitan ng AI?
Yes, it will be creating more opportunities for you.
Ayan, and malalaman nyo pa yon if you talk to Boss RDR and his team mamaya, or actually at a certain time when it comes to AI. We have a few more. Ito naman, owning your own brand. What does it mean to you? What does it mean to own your own brand?
Okay, being branded, yun po yung kailangan ninyong gawin.
Your brand should have soul. Now, magre-reflect ka. And speaking of reflection, Boss RDR, theoretical question. Ini-strip away sa'yo yung mga followers mo. Wala kang funds at the moment.
Yeah.
Tinanggal sa'yo yung team mo.
Yeah.
Solo mo.
Yeah.
Ano yung unang step mo gagawin?
Lahat iiwan ka, pero ang Diyos never kanyang iiwan. Lahat aalis sa'yo sa mundong ito, pero siya makakasama mo. That's it.
Ang ganda. Palakpakan naman natin ang sagot ni Boss RDR. And final question, Boss. Ito, maraming gusto mangarap. Maraming gusto. Lahat tayo gustong umangat. And as much as we want to, lito tayo. Maraming information. Pwede tayo i-guide. Pero para sa'yo, sa bawat dreamer dito, ano yung that one piece of advice na merong isang pangarap at paano nila maabot yon?
Yeah. Success is contagious.
Wow! Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin, Boss RDR. Maraming salamat. Choose your circles and choose your battles. Yan, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. If you wanna know more, syempre, nandyan ang kanilang booth.
Queen Dorser, singer, songwriter, and business owner. And now, our guest speaker. Everybody say A. Let's welcome Queen Yasmin! Teka lang. Sulitin na natin si Queen Yasmin. Hello. 5 years, no? I mean, it's been a while since we saw each other.
Magkakilala naman pala
Oo, magkakilala kami. Dapat magko-collab kami ng darang pandemic. Yun dapat. And nag-business na ang ating Queen Yasmin. But enough about that. Masaya lang din talaga kami na nandito kayo. Eto muna. Miss Gladys, sa'yo muna yung tanong and then...
Ay, may tanong pala.
Alam ko yung meaning ng pakusa as a married man. Pero tell us, bakit pakusa nakakarami?
So yung pakusa ang celebration ng Japanese Life sa Pilipino.
Eh, pakusa rin. Anyway, bago na lahat, kailan nasimula ang pakusa namin and ready for franchise na kayo?
Nag-start yung pakusa barbershop around 2016.
Swerte nyo. Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin Queen Yasmin.
Sa lahat po ng mga bumubuo ng Canva Philippines and sa lahat ng staff and love you all guys. Mama chup chup. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Speaking of all purpose or all the queen of all media, pwede na ba sabihin yan? Ladies and gentlemen, meron pa tayong